gonna take Tay. When I was gonna take her to the daycare, she teleported to me, but in this block, and she died. Cotton Ball. You're my new Cotton Ball. You're my new Cotton Ball. Oh, I miss Cotton Ball. Cotton Ball, where are you? Okay, calm down. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. I'm so sad. Okay. Come here, Tay. Come here. Well, hello, miss. I'm a little sad right now, don't blame me, but I would like to take my dog Tate for a bath. Okay, Tate. 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 No, get off her furniture. Rude. Cotton Ball? New Cotton Ball. You can't just be rude. Cotton Ball. Well, I'm very sorry about that. Well, Tate. Tate, honey boy. Okay. Well, Tate just took a bath. Why are you on there? No. Okay. Fine. Can you please just move right there? Okay. Let's go home. I miss Cotton Ball. I'm just gonna eat a sad baked potato. And yes, guys, I turned it into survival. I wanted to, but I am gonna add more shops. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna put my mushroom stew in there. I don't need it right now. I'm gonna just wash my hands. Oh, that was so sad. Hello, apple tree. That's right there. I love you. Tate. Okay, there you guys are. Come on, let's have a little picnic. Don't step on the cake, or it'll be ruined. We don't want nasty kitty feet on it. Okay, guys, we're having a picnic because Cotton Ball. I miss Cotton Ball, but he's dead. Hopefully Lapis will make me feel better. Hey girl. Hey girl. I'm gonna buy some armor for Lapis. It'll make me safer. It'll make me feel better. Okay, I need to go get some money though. Also, I'm gonna get a saddle for her. Maybe it's them. Because then I can ride her around the town and it'll be much faster. Oh, that was so sad. I'm super mad about Cotton Ball. But I have a new cat now. Okay. I'm going to the horse store. Okay. Calm down, Gwen. Calm down. Okay, let's get a saddle. So, how much do the saddles cost? $5. diamond horse armor. It's 10. I don't care how much it costs. I'm doing it. Okay, $15. Not bad, not bad. Okay, thank you. That'll make me feel better with Lapis. Just running around. Make me feel much better, actually. Lapis. Lapis girl. Lapis girl. Why do you buddies always go over here? Okay. Lapis girl. This will make me feel much better about you. And how can I get you up there? I guess I can't I? You know what? I need to do something very fast before it comes night. I need to get tools at my new tool store that you have never seen. Tools. Oh my gosh, the sun is going down. I have to do it I have to do it very fast. Okay, I'll get some armor. I'm just gonna put chest plate. Diamond sword. That's 15. One. It's actually like that. Actually, it should be 20. Okay. Go get this one. Go, 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 go. I'm gonna take my dogs with me so they can protect me. Num num num. Okay. Num 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 num. You guys are gonna protect me. I know it's very dangerous, but I need you guys to protect me. Because I'm gonna get some mob drops. Oh, I need some mob drops. Yes, we need mob drops. Wish me good luck. I don't really want to have my sword out because I don't want to hit them. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Because I don't want you to die or you. Who Cotton Ball the Second. I'm a horrible owner. Hopefully my favorite kind of flower will help me. Yeah. Why is there a random gate? Trap me inside of it. Trap me inside of it. Come here, you monsters. I'm not afraid of you. I'll show you what I got. I'm scared. I'm scared. Myself. Guys, I'm scared. I heard a zombie. Where are you, zombie? Right there. That's where you are. Yeah. Yeah. Tate. army. Army of skeleton. No. This one. Good job. A witch. Oh my gosh. Guys. A witch. Guys. Help. Guys, I got an instant healing potion. Guys. Guys. I got an instant healing potion. You know what this means? I can instant heal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. I have to go. Uh-oh. I have to go home. Keep that in my treasures chest. I am not gonna lose this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, where's my treasure chest? Let's go. Special. I did not spell special. I'm also gonna put that there because I loved it. I loved it. I'm gonna put that rotten flesh for Tate. Actually, I'm gonna give it Tate right now in case you're hungry enough. Oh my gosh. Stand. Okay. I am gonna go to sleep. Because that was scary. And guys, I don't like scary things. Don't you dare miss my animals. I want to get that rotten flesh for Tate. Yes, another thing for Tate. I do have to get some fish for cotton ball. Actually, I'm gonna do that now because I love my little animals. Creepers. Guys, I hate these creepers. Yes. Okay.
How's your day at school today?
But actually, I'm gonna end this video here, so bye.